Yo, right now I have a Honda Stream, and this vehicle has a problem with ECU. So I have another ECU here. I'm going to show you how to install it and how to program the key and start the vehicle. So stay tuned. The first thing, let me open the hood. Okay, this is the ECU, known as engine control module. So the first thing, you need to both terminals, this one and this one. Then positive. Then after that, you pull off the battery. So after that, you need to remove the top cover like that. So this is the computer I'm talking about. So the first thing I need to use number 10 millimeters to unlock this bolt. Which one and two, like this is the first one. Let me remove the second one. This is the ECU. So we have 3 sockets here. So how to unplug these sockets? The first thing, you need to push, then pull. Push the lock, then you pull like this. Let me show you. Push like that. You do the same here. Push, you push, then pull like that. You push, then pull like that. Now you are done. This is the old computer. This is the new computer. Although the number is not same, look, KJ, then UK, but UK, it works perfectly on Honda Stream. So let me install it, socialize the key, and then we see how it performs. So you do the same thing. The first thing, you need to install the computer. You push, automatically lock. The same thing you do here, like that. Then you are done. So after installing that, we return everything intact. Like that. Now you are back. Close the door. Put ignition on. See? So see, when you start to nothing is working. So I'm going to use my hotel machine. Then diagnosis, Honda, auto select. Okay, from Japan. Is a 2010 model, 2010 Stream RN7 1001686, that one. Okay, diagnosis, okay, auto scan, okay, all system, okay, yes, shift, yes. So in engine we don't have anything, so I want to quick revise. Here we go to replace ECM. Do not execute the function unless you are replacing ECM or PCM. Press OK. Do you wish to continue? This menu is not used with this vehicle. Okay, so meaning in this vehicle we don't have immobilizer reset, so the only thing we are going to do ECM resets, because it is going to adapt to new features, so we delete the old features. That's all. That's you are ready to go. You see, KJ is working. It started the vehicle. Idling so good, everything's okay except the checking engine.